powdered sugar, baking powder, food color, flour, salted butter, have some evaporated milk, and here I have my potato chips. Right now I'm gonna mix my dough, then I'll save in the fridge for like 10 minutes. After that, I'll shape them and bake. This recipe is very simple and you can always make this at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. As you can see, I'm done mixing up my dough. Right now, it's sectioned into 4, and I'll add in the various photos.